Electrovert Aquastorm is considered the industry's best for precision cleaning, performance, quality construction, and lifespan durability. Aquastorm inline and batch cleaners are ideally suited to RMA and no-clean deflux applications that require chemistry, as well as removal of water-soluble organic acid flux. Flux formulations for lead-free soldering leave more residue and dramatically increases the need for cleaning. Aquastorm is able to handle the harsh demands of the lead-free process with unmatched impact force to penetrate under and around components. The clear advantage of Aquastorm cleaners is the ability to deliver a dynamic combination of chemistry, thermal, and mechanical forms of energy at the surface to effectively clean under low standoff and difficult-to-clean components. The key to the Aquastorm is the utilization of mixed spray technology, including high-impact force for tight spaces, oscillating action for low-pressure applications, and complete flooding action for high-pressure applications. Jet impact cleaning with a web of omnidirectional spray patterns greatly improves cleaning under low standoff components and eliminates shadowing effects. Patented S-Jet nozzle technology produces large water droplets for enhanced cleaning performance when operating at a low rate of pressure. The oscillating action of the S-Jet helps to better clean and flush residues in the pre-wash to reduce foaming in the recirculating wash. Efficient and complete drying is crucial to the cleaning process. An effective system will increase throughput, providing cost savings and superior return on investment. Electrovert's integrated torrid zone drying technology utilizes a controlled dynamic process that delivers unmatched drying of complex assemblies to within 0.1 grams of pre-washed dry weight. The patented torrid zone consists of two sections: an air knife blow-off section to mechanically remove large amounts of moisture from the product, and a forced convection bake-out section to evaporate the remaining moisture from the product. The module reduces exhaust requirements by 44% and uses 15% less power when compared with conventional drying systems, providing a rapid return on investment. Another benefit of torrid zone drying is that completely dry PCBs can go straight to test after cleaning, alleviating the need for a secondary offline drying system. Aquastorm cleaners feature orbitally welded stainless steel plumbing to eliminate pressure drops and leaks. Quick disconnect fittings can be replaced or upgraded in minutes to maximize uptime. Rear panels in online models can be easily removed for maintenance and access to the wash and rinse tanks. Front doors provide quick access to electrical panels, computers, heaters, floats, and thermocouples. The hinged tempered glass windows provide optimal viewing and access. The Aquastorm is configured with a Windows-based operating system that provides familiar pull-down menus and has data logging and barcode capability. The system is easily networked for downloading of recipes and remote access to operating data. The system provides quick and easy viewing of system pressures, water level, pump and blower operation, temperature, and fill drain operation. Electrovert cleaning equipment plays a critical role in semiconductor fabrication and are utilized in multiple steps, including degreasing, cleaning prior to electroplating and underfill, cleaning after bumping and wire bonding, and carrier debonding of fan-out packages. Electrovert cleaners are designed to deal with small, lightweight semiconductor products such as lead frames, VGA, wafers, and 3D stacked packages. Electrovert's microcell cleaner uses centrifugal energy for unparalleled penetration, solubilization, and containment removal for advanced packages, including flip chips, MCMs, SIPs, VGAs, CSPs, and hybrid electronics. The complete three-step cleaning process achieves washing, rinsing, and drying results unattainable through any other technology. With over 45 years of innovation and process leadership in the cleaning industry, Electrovert is committed to developing new products and services for most cleaning applications, no matter what the cleaning requirement or challenge may be. For more information, visit itweae.com.